Hello again, I'm Georgina from PMSS and welcome to our featured product update. Last time we briefly spoke about our validated transport cases. This temperature controlled product comes as standard in 3 sizes: small, medium and large. In a recent independent validation, the case held the required temperature for up to 24 hours. As a bespoke item, the case can be made to a size that suits your exact needs. Coloured PVCs, bespoke print designs, handles and clear document windows are all features that can be added to the case. Not only tested for temperature stability, the case has also been validated for product protection in a laboratory controlled drop test. All of these validation certificates are available at www.zipbags.co.uk. We are now offering 6 colours in antimicrobial PVC: red, green, yellow, blue, orange and purple. This innovative coating eradicates 99% of all bacteria that comes into contact with the outer surface of the case and lasts for the lifetime of the product. This greatly reduces the risk of spreading infection as the case travels between locations. For more information on this range of products and accessories, please visit www.zipbags.co.uk.